Hello everybody, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Xena XX14 alarmed disc lock. So the reason we're checking out this new disc lock is Ian, who runs the website side of things of classicmotorbikes.net. He has just got himself a new bike, which will be featuring on the channel very soon, but his old disc lock doesn't fit his new bike, so he's managed to get this Xena one that will specifically fit his. So before we take it out of the packet, let's go over a few of the features of the lock. So it's an alarmed disc lock. It's got a 120 decibel alarm, so that should definitely attract some attention when it goes off. It's got an auto arming module, and it also has shock and movement sensors. The lock weighs 612 grams, and it has a 3-volt lithium battery fitted, so that should last a long time. So the disc lock part of the alarm, it has a 14mm carbide reinforced pin that also has a double locking system, so even if the disc lock is broken apart, it will still hold the two halves together. The body is made from stainless steel, so it should offer great corrosion resistance. It's fitted with a maximum security key and barrel. It's also ice spray resistant. Let's take a look in the packet and have a look at the disc lock, shall we? So we've got a bit of info on it. We've got the main disc lock alarm, and as you can see, that is pretty chunky. We've got this battery. We've got 3 keys for it. It's always good to have some spares because I'm forever losing keys. And then there's this little tool, which is for replacing the battery. And then we've got a set of instructions. So we'll move some of this out of the way and we'll have a look at the disc lock, shall we? So there we go. That is a big old locking pin, as you can see there. And all the alarm stuff is sort of behind this plate and underneath there. So I'm going to have a little look around it, and this part here removes the plate on the bottom. So you put that inside the lock, slide the pin back, and then the plate falls off there, which means you can get to the alarm part to change the battery. Let's see if we can get the alarm working and see how loud it is. So put that there, and then that is the alarm module. So even if you didn't have that, you could still use the disc lock. So we'll open the battery case. So we're going to fit the battery and then get the alarm working. So we've got the battery in, and now I'm going to set it off, and hopefully through the microphone you'll be able to hear how loud this thing is. So if you tap it or move it, it gives you a warning beep, and then that is ridiculously loud. So I think the thing to do now is go and try it on the bike and see what it's like when it's fitted. So as you can see, when we fitted it to the bike, it makes a beep to let you know it's armed, or if you wiggle the wheel around or anything like that, it's fairly sensitive and it will go off. So for me, I think this is a good thing, because if you forget you've got a disc lock fitted, I definitely think the alarm's going to go off before you even get to the point of riding it. So for me, I think that's quite a good safety feature. Our overall impressions of the lock is very good. It seems very well built, nice and solid. That's kind of what you want from a disc lock, really. I hope you found it interesting and useful, and I appreciate you watching. If you want to check out any of our other videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we do an upload. And until next time, I'll see you later.